Good evening, friends, and tonight we'll be cooking la crêpe Suzette. Okay, let's start. This is what you will need for to prepare la crêpe Suzette. Secret of deliciousness of la crêpe Suzette is sauce, and for the sauce we'll use these 3 nice oranges. First of all, we want to melt the butter. We will using that for the sauce and for the dough, and we'll use the eggs for the dough, some brown sugar will give that nice flavor. We'll use a pinch of salt for the taste and the vanilla extract, and of course the flour. First I will shred oranges and to make some fresh juice, because this is the necessary to use fresh orange juice, not from the store, because it will be different, absolutely different taste. So we'll use this Florida ripe oranges for nice zest for our Suzette sauce. I'm putting room temperature butter, organic cow butter, to melt it, because we'll be using that for the dough and for the sauce. And we will be slicing the oranges. We'll take another one. See, our butter is melted. We want to leave a little bit for the sauce. Add some zest, adding at the end of each crepe separately. Even without juicer, you still can make juice for your sauce. All you have to do, you have nice oranges, no seeds, and all you have to do is just to squeeze them well by your hands. See, it's coming. I don't have a juicer, nothing, just my hand, and it's still coming. See, it is. We got almost 1 cup. Add a little bit more to make a 1 cup. And add for our sauce. Add it for our sauce. Add 2 spoons is enough. Put on a very low settings, stove settings, that let it slowly evaporate. Okay, I'm taking the 4th orange. Look what I'm going to do with that. Tiny slice. See, like this. Mind you, a little bit, and we add them into the sauce. I'm using rice milk. Add 1.5 cup of milk. If necessary, you can add more. Though for crepes, you don't want it very watery, but you don't want it very thick. You want just like a Russian yogurt, kefir, to be that consistency. I add 4 eggs, and especially when you're not using cow milk. So you can use whole wheat flour if you want. 4 eggs will help you to keep your dough nice. Even you're using whole wheat flour, you still will be able to have a nice crepe. Teaspoon of vanilla here, teaspoon of vanilla to the orange sauce. If you want to have that special pattern that make crepes looks expensive and look professionally done, so you want to add melted butter inside in the dough. It will help to make that special pattern, beautiful pattern on the crepes. Salt as well for taste. Brown sugar, just 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. And now we're adding some flour, regular flour. You can add whole wheat, use whole wheat if you want to. We may add, we will see on the consistency of the mixture of the dough. Okay, right now we have here brown sugar, a little bit of salt, 4 eggs, melted cow butter, and rice milk. Adding a flour. See the consistency of it. Already feel the smell coming from the sauce. Smelling good. And you have to mix until all those little pieces will be gone. The dough looks nice and smooth, as you see. It's not very watery, it's not too thick. It's just like this. It should be hot enough, otherwise it will stick to the frying pan. Now we will put a little bit of olive oil, even though it's not non-stick skillet. If you want for thinner, don't put entire big shower. Put not necessarily to be full, a little bit, not full. When you're putting that, well, make sure you rotate 360 degrees around to make it even. Okay, and you watch all the time because you don't want it to burn. Our sauces in process, we will watch our, see, it's going to be very thin. And now we're going to flip that, right? Art and science of flipping. Yeah, look at this perfect hair. Yeah, see, that's the secret. When you put melted butter, it gives that nice professional consistency for crepe. So the secret for first crepe to come well through, your frying pan should be hot enough. If it's not hot enough, it will break in pieces. And here we go. And for each crepe, I would say just put a little bit of olive oil. Number 2. And immediately place, you rotate 360 degrees to make that nice even crepe. When all holes are covered, you place it on the stove and watch all the time. And our sauce is doing well. Yeah, perfect crepe. You have to always watch, you lift it, put it back, lift it, put it back. And it's very nice and thin, look at this. Beautiful, it's done. It's done. Number 2. Oh, beautiful. Our sauce is ready. You see the sauce? Yeah, perfectly ready. What we're going to do now, we're taking a crepe, fold in half, then this way in half, on half, and on half, making a triangle. Okay, make another one. All right, folding half. You can do different pattern. You can do like this if you want, but if you want nice French style small crepes, you make like this, and then like this. One more crepe. Oops. See, very nice and tiny. Look at this beauty. Nice and tiny, you can see through. What you're going to do is, and put it over each. Put it over each crepe. Looks delicious. It's delicious. I'm not using any alcohol because many people in the United States, they don't drink alcohol. If you want to, you can use. It gives you perfect orange taste. Oranges, all natural. Okay. Then we left some for more. And see, it gets penetrated in the sauce perfectly. And then you can do this. Just in the frying pan before you're putting it outside. See, putting some more. Voila! And now I'm taking one to taste. And complement with some nice vanilla ice cream. C'est délicieux! Suzette with some delicious vanilla ice cream. C'est délicieux! Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my videos to watch more. And maybe your comments, maybe you have your own recipes, so let me know. what works best for you. Thank you and see you next time.